So first we will clean this surface to put on the tape. Gonna glue down this piece here, but first we clean all the dust away from the surface. Let's see how well it fits. I think I got it in the middle. If I feel the edges, then just put some weight on it so it doesn't move, and I take a bit of this away. Like that, and we roll it down like this. And we put it up here. It's much easier if you are two when you put down these large pieces of tape. Here I cut away the overhang of the tape. This part was really easy. One. This flat cable is going to do the installation really nice. Easy to cover up under everything inside the boat. Next up is all the small pieces. Good thing with this taping method is you don't have to wait to cure. If you are on the boat and just want to glue it down and continue working. all those sun panels on the boat and dry fit them once more. I'm so impressed with these panels. They are completely flat, no box sticking up or anything, and this flat cable are going to do the installation inside the boat so easy. You can hide it everywhere. I'm looking forward to that part. Let's see if we can position this in the right spot. Pretty good, I think. There. I think we start from the middle, and I'm just gonna cut the tape on this one. We're just gonna match the tape. We'll go on like this. I really love this already. There are no junction box that other panels have. The Sunbeam is just perfect and so easy. I don't have to wait for this to set or anything. I can go on and do the next thing when mounting them. It's really good. Fast and easy. And really good quality panels. Later on, when I'm going to install the electric to these ones, I'm going to do it in parallel. I'm not going to do the series version. I talked to the manufacturer of Sunbeam, and they highly recommend doing the parallel, because when you're doing the series attachments, all the sun panels are at a higher voltage. The higher voltage you get are going past through all the panels, and that may cause a shorter lifetime for them. You know, if you put 24 volt on a 12 volt lamp, it can be bright for a while, but then it passed out. And slightly the same thing with all solar panels. So the parallel is giving you a higher life length on them. So that's why we're going for that option. If you have the series attachment and you broke one of the panels, I don't know how you can break it, but let's say one of the panels is broken, then the all in the same series is dead. So the parallel, you can break one and go on with the one that are left on the boat. So that's a better option. And if you have shading on one of the panels, if you have them in series, the shading puts down, even these panels that are made to handle shaving very good. The shaving reduce the effect on this panel will do the same reducing on all the panels in the same series. So you have better option when you have them in parallel. So that's the way we're going to go. So parallel it is. Now we're going to cover up these panels. When we do the electrical installation inside, we don't want any generation of electricity on the panels. So we just cover them up like that, and then we can go inside and do everything.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.